Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will have a walkthrough on how the student record system in C++ using object-oriented approach works. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. So let's begin. So we have here several library file. This one, the IOStream for input output, basic library in every C++ program. Sharp includes string for string manipulation. In line number 4, we declare as class student public, and then we created a constructor here for the name, roll number, and marks. And then we have here a function to display the student's information, student name, roll number. Roll number is similar to your student ID, and marks are the grade. And then we have here also private string name, roll number, double. Int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. We declare a variable name, roll number, double marks, and then when we run our program, it will ask the user to give a student's name, roll number, and marks, and then create a student object with provided information, creating an object here. And then we have a menu. So in the menu, we will display student information here, student info, calling this function to display, and then the last option is to quit the program. Okay, and a program, thank you for using this program, return 0, return to our operating system. Okay, let us click the run button here. Student name, let's say example Lydia, number 123, marks, let's say 98. So let's say 1, display student information, we have Lydia. So next, to quit the program. That's it. That's a very simple program. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short tutorial video on student information system using object-oriented approach in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching and supporting with my channel. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.